Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to set an alarm on iPhone. Also I wonder why you want to know how to set an alarm on iPhone. Maybe because you have just recently got an iPhone and you want to set an alarm and you don't know how to do it. Or maybe you don't know how to do an alarm and you have been using it for a very long. So don't worry, whatever reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First you have to unlock your mobile phone, and after that you have to search for the clock. This is the icon of the clock. You could find it in your mobile phone. It is pre-installed in your mobile phone, means it is a default app. You could either search for it or you could just simply look for it, and once you find it, just simply open it. Right now it has four sections. Currently we are into the alarms. Along with that, on the first we have world clock where all the times appear, and we have alarms where we set alarms, and we have stopwatch, and we have timer. You can use all these four options. So here we are for alarm, so just simply go into the alarm section. Once you get there, you have to simply click on this plus icon which is on the top right side of the screen. This one, just simply click on it. Through this option you can add an alarm. So here you can see we can add alarm through these options. First you have to set AM and PM. If your mobile has a 12 hours format, then you have to select this option, but if it has a 24 hours format, then this is not the case, then these options will not appear. Once you select AM or PM, after that you have to select the hour on which you want to set a timer. After that you have to select its minutes. So here I am just saving the alarm for 7 a.m. After that you can select that how much you want it to repeat, like daily, weekly, on which days. So you just have to simply select the days on which you want the alarm to ring. Once you select the get back, and after that you can label your alarm, like you can give it a title. You can either make it a morning, evening. You can just type the reason for your setting the alarm. After that you can just select its sound, whichever sound you want to select you can select it. Here we have many options, you can select any one of these. After that you can select if you want the snooze or not, if you want the alarm to keep ringing until you turn off or not. So you can select this option, and once you're done with it, just simply click on save and your alarm will be saved. Now you can see the alarm has been set for 7 a.m. for 5 days. If you want to add more, you can add more alarms by just tapping on the plus icon which is on the top right side of the screen. You can also edit your current alarms, and this is how it all works. This was the easiest way I know through which you can set an alarm on iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.